It's a beautiful, beautiful November morning. So I'm out in a 1994 Subaru Sambar. It's a K-truck, and it's one of the popular entries in a very flooded K-truck market. Basically, all manufacturers had some entry into this segment. Suzuki Carry, Mitsubishi Minicab, Honda Acti, Daihatsu Hijet, and then some badge engineering ones. So I get asked all the time, what's the right one? What should I buy? And it boils down to very simple issues. If you're tall, like I am, I'm 6'4", the Subaru has the best knee room and leg room. But other than that, you're just basically talking about very similar offerings and where the engine is located. In this Subaru, it's Porsche and old air-cooled VW style, hanging out back. Honda, it's got it mid-engine like a Ferrari. And the Daihatsu and the Mitsubishi and the Suzuki, they're all kind of under the seat and a little bit behind the seat. Other than that, you can get them in two-wheel drive or four-wheel drive like this one. Some of them have high and low range, some of them have diff lock. This happens to have an extra low first gear. Some have air conditioning, some don't. But at the end of the day, my advice to you is, no matter what the brand, buy the nicest, most rust-free, best-running example you can, because there's not a huge price difference between the best and the worst. And if you buy well, a nice maintained one, it'll serve you for years, whether that's farm use or taking it out to shows or just cruising along at 50 miles an hour like we're doing right now. I'm Sam Bear for Class Winners Collector Vehicles, and life's too short for ordinary cars, especially on a beautiful day. Take care.